Welcome back, dear crypto investors. A new stablecoin has been launched in New Zealand. It operates on Ether's blockchain and is pegged to fiat money, the New Zealand dollar. The newly elected president of Argentina is a supporter of a cryptocurrency and naysayer to the central bank. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, recorded an outflow of more than $1 billion from November 21 to 22. The underlying reason behind the capital withdrawal was charges brought by the US Justice Department against the company's CEO. Media reported that Changpeng Zhao's shady business was spotted by the authorities in 2018. In December 22, they suspected Binance of money laundering. At that time, amid these rumors, the crypto community started speculating on a possible company's collapse. In June 2023, the crypto exchange faced charges from another regulator, the US Securities and Exchange Commission. In August this year, the market got to know the information that the Justice Department planned to accuse Binance CEO of fraud. Eventually, the authorities have taken action. As a result, Changpeng Zhao pleaded guilty and stepped down as CEO. "I made mistakes and I must take responsibility," he wrote on his social media page on November 21. The CEO of Binance will be taking over the Richard Tang, who previously was a top executive at the company's regional offices. Despite a huge capital outflow, almost $67 billion in crypto assets are still stored in Binance accounts. The company agreed to pay $4.3 billion as a player deal to end the investigation of the Justice Department. It's one of the heaviest corporate penalties imposed by the US authorities. Besides, the Treasury Department unveiled its settlements with Binance. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen noted that the compensation deal was the largest in the US history. Importantly, US watchdogs also won a victory over the FTX crypto exchange just a few weeks ago. Its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, was found guilty of fraud and other violations by the court. No wonder situations unfavorable for the FTX and Binance certainly benefited their competitors. For example, the huge crypto exchange Coinbase took advantage of the court woes of its competitor to gain the attention of customers. Brian Armstrong, the head of the trading platform, posted a message in his microblog in which he talks about the fundamental differences between his company and its rival. Coinbase CEO and founder believes that the challenge met by Binance would help fine-tune regulation of the crypto market. The odious Securities and Exchange Commission filed charges against another crypto platform. This time, the regulator targets Kraken, the third largest crypto exchange in the spot market. While the United States is stepping up pressure on the crypto industry, the presidential election in Argentina was won by an avid crypto fan. Bitcoin welcomed this victory by an instant jump of 3%, and Bitcoin closed at $36,500 on Friday and consolidated in the range of $36,250 to $36,500 for the most part of the weekend. The flagship crypto perked up on a Sunday evening. Even amid the likelihood of the victory for Javier Milei, its price spiked within 24 hours, reaching $37,350 per coin. So this week, Bitcoin mining complexity set a new record. In general, an increase in this indicator has been observed since the end of September 2023. Each update registers a higher high. Apart from the political news from Argentina and hash rate differences, Bitcoin was agitated by the court verdict against Binance. On the plus side, the crypto market welcomed the talks between Grayscale and the Securities and Exchange Commission. The focal point is the Bitcoin spot ETFs. Bloomberg analysts are up to 90% confident that the first ETF will be approved by the regulator before the deadline set on January 10. In the meantime, despite its ups and downs, Bitcoin has logged a decline of 0.5% over the past 7 days. Its weekly price range was from $35,840 to $37,904. Another piece of news is that transaction fees have been raised considerably in a Bitcoin-based blockchain on the back of a growing interest in Ordinals protocol. Eventually, the commissions on a Bitcoin exceeded even Ether transaction fees. Perhaps for this reason, Ether itself appreciated by 1.8% in the last 7 days, and the price surpassed the critically important resistance at $2,000 and settled at the upper border of the range between $1,918 and $2,074. Ether's rally was also triggered by a decrease in the number of tokens on exchanges. According to estimates, the supply of Ether tokens in the crypto market has shrunk by almost 20% in the last 6 months. At the same time, large crypto investors have ramped up their Ether holdings. Sentiment Crypto Tracker reported that 200 largest crypto wallets have added roughly 30% of Ether since November 2022. On Tuesday, November 21, the altcoin saw record robust activity of opening new wallets. All in all, 94,700 wallets have been created at the highest rate since July 2023. The main outsider in the top 10 cryptocurrencies last week was Ripple. The native token of Ripple Labs lost 5.3% in the last 7 days, though Ripple Labs and the Commission are expected to solve the dispute in the near future. This news has not aroused optimism yet. The legal proceedings started in December 2020 and could linger on well into 2024. The regulator is going to hold a closed-door meeting on November 30 and perhaps hear the Ripple case. However, judging by the price dynamic, hardly anyone believes in a positive outcome. Optimism has been depleted for the last 3 years. Another headwind for the Ripple was a threat of a Binance collapse, so the token traded in the range from 0.582 to 0.651, sticking to the lower border last week. Technically, if the price settles below support of 0.60, the token could instantly tumble by 25% to 0.50. The AI-based crypto has been the best performer in the last week and also in the last 30 days. Combining blockchain technology with the protocols for the development of machine learning models is a new phenomenon, but has already become a trend. Bittensor has achieved notable success among altcoins. In a month, its price jumped by 387%. The Bittensor crypto coin itself was rolled out by former Google developer Jacob Steves on September 19, 2023. Amazingly, Bittensor was designed just a month ago, but it managed to develop a mind-blowing rally. The new token has surged by 55% in the last 5 days from a support of $158 to a peak of $303. To sum up, this newcomer has become the leading cryptocurrency based on the artificial intelligence. Cryptocurrencies spring surprises and oftentimes catch investors off guard. The market environment changes like a flash, so make sure you keep your finger on the pulse of a fresh crypto news. Our team is always ready to help. Leave your comments and questions. See you soon on our channel.